your school or trust is compliant with the latest safe recruitment standards, then EPM can help with our safe recruitment audit. Our audit is an effective way to ensure that your school or trust is not at risk of either legal failures or not meeting the expectations of an OFSTED inspection. We will conduct an independent review and provide you with a clear and concise report, giving advice and recommendations on what actions you need to take to ensure your safe recruitment obligations are met and adhered to. If you're interested in finding out more, please contact us on 01480 431 993 or email us at consultancy@epm.co.uk or complete our inquiry form. Thank you.